Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Mahendra Shivi. I come from SKS. My number is 14. Today I want to describe about the spirit of Independence Day. August 17th is the day to remember and honor the service of our heroes who fight selfishly. It also reminds us of the importance of unity in facing various challenges. For the younger generation, August 17 is a moment to reflect on national values and fighting spirit that must be based on. This can foster a sense of nationalism through activities such as flag ceremonies, competition, and social activities. Young people can utilize social media to spread the spirit of independence, share historical information, and invite friends to participate in August 17 commemoration activities. We can also create creative work such as blog, song, or video with independence theme. This can be a means to express love for the homeland and appreciate the struggle of our heroes. August 17 is a very important day for the Indonesian people, especially for the younger generation. By commemorating the day, they not only remember the struggle of our heroes, but also foster a sense of nationalism, a spirit of unity, and awareness of history. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.